as I learned more and more about how some of our synthetic made vitamins aren't even really absorbed at all, so are maybe not doing as much good. This is something I am so glad I have found and was easy to add to my daily routine, and I have reached for it consistently ever since. And that is the Green Pasture Fermented Cod Liver Oil Capsules. I want to share exactly why I chose these and why they are my favorite fish oil capsules. I love these because they are a much more natural form of vitamins A, D, and omega fatty acids. These are made from the fermented oils of wild Alaskan cod. The amounts of the vitamin A and D in fish oils do vary naturally, but I love these because they can help with so many things within your body, including your immune system, your joints, your skin, your mood, your energy, and some people have even mentioned that it had helped with their cholesterol. So this comes in a 120 count bottle. The serving size is going to be 2 capsules per day. Now it's recommended that you either store these in a cool, dark place. I find that it is just easier to throw them in the fridge, and then I take them every single day after breakfast. Let's check out these capsules. Again, the serving size is going to be 2 capsules per day. These are the unflavored capsules. You can also get them in an orange flavor, but honestly, if I were taking the liquid form of this, then I would do the orange flavored. A lot of people and their children actually say that that is very palatable, but I prefer to take the unflavored capsules. These capsules are also non-gelatin if that is something you are trying to stay away from. Now, if you put them in the fridge, they will solidify a little bit, and that is normal. So each 2 capsule serving has 10 total calories. So this 120 count bottle is going to get you 2 months worth, which I found to be a really great value. My other favorite thing about these cod liver oil capsules, there are no artificial ingredients, of course, but I also do not have those nasty fish burps all day long like I have had in the past with a lot of other fish oil capsules. So that is amazing. The only thing I will say that some people have mentioned that if you take these with a carbonated beverage, you will have those nasty fish burps. So stick with water. Some people have also mentioned stomach upset. I personally have never had an issue, but I do always take it with a meal or after a meal, always after breakfast. And I have personally noticed that my joints feel a lot better. I suffer from a little bit of arthritis in one side of my back, and I definitely notice a decrease in that joint discomfort when I take these consistently, because as with any supplement, consistency is key. So I love this product. I love that it's all natural. It's made in a form that is very easy for our bodies to absorb and utilize, and I don't get those nasty fish burps. I use it daily and I will never go back. Hope that's been helpful. And if you are someone that is looking for another easy addition to your daily wellness routine that could potentially have benefits in so many areas of your overall wellness, then you should consider checking this one out.